Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through a really powerful feature in Smartsheet, setting up automations so that the right people get alerted as soon as something important happens, no manual emails, no risk of things slipping through the cracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an automation to alert someone automatically when a row's status changes to complete. This is a serious productivity booster, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or managing a team. Let's get started right from your Smartsheet dashboard. First, you'll want to head straight to the Automation menu. If you haven't explored this section before, don't worry, Automation is where all the magic happens in Smartsheet, allowing you to set rules that handle repetitive tasks for you. Look for Automation up in your toolbar and click it. Think of this as setting up a helpful assistant who watches your sheet and lets people know when they need to take action. Now you're going to choose Create from Template. Smartsheet makes things easy by giving us pre-built automations, which saves a ton of time compared to building from scratch. Click Create from Template, and in the search bar that appears, type in something like Alert someone when specified criteria are met. You might even see it pop up as you're typing. Go ahead and select it. This template is a perfect fit for what we want to do because it's already designed for sending alerts under certain conditions. Next, let's define exactly when we want this alert to go out. In this scenario, we want the alert to be sent whenever rows are changed, but more specifically, when the status field is updated to say complete. Setting it up this way ensures that nobody will be alerted unless the specific change happens, keeping notifications relevant and not annoying. Find the section where you set the trigger as when rows are changed, and then add a condition for status is complete. This makes your automation laser-focused. Now, who should get these alerts? In the Alert Someone section, select Specific People. You can choose anyone on your team or even people outside your organization, as long as they need to be kept in the loop. For example, maybe you want to notify a project manager every time a task is finished, or perhaps a client who needs instant updates. Specify the recipient's right here. Once that's set, hit Save. You might think you're done, but I always recommend testing your automations just to make sure everything is wired up correctly before you rely on it for real projects. There's a handy Test Now button in Smartsheet. Click that and select Trigger All Rows. What this does is essentially simulate each row as if it has just met your criteria, running your workflow so you can see exactly what happens. Don't worry if it takes a few moments for the test to run, especially if your sheet has lots of rows. This part ensures you won't run into surprises later. After running the test, let's go back to your main sheet. Look for notifications. You should see them pop up just as they would in real use. If you received your test alert, congratulations, your automation is ready to go. And that's it, you've now automated alerts in Smartsheet like a pro. No more missed completions, and your team is always kept in the loop without you having to lift a finger. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you run into any questions or want to see more Smartsheet tips, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.